Hello friends, today I am going to show you a special video how to import and export all contacts with Gdrive. To do that, you have to go to your contact apps. This first step is to export the contacts, share multiple contacts and select all. Okay, Gdrive, and save it as the name you want. This is my previous Gmail, Gdrive, and save. And now open the Gdrive app. This is the VCO file, and to do that I am going to import the contacts which I already imported in September and download it. The contact has been downloaded, and now is the procedure to how to import. To do that, this is the procedure import. To click on your contact app again and click the button and manage contact, import from storage device. This is importing from the only VC file which I have already saved to my this importing the contacts, already 68 contacts, 84, 88. The contact is taking from the this file September 24. 447. This is the procedure how to export import the contact list. There is a lot of contacts in my this is the thank you everyone for watching this video. This is the procedure how to export import all of your contacts to Gmail and import from the Gmail. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, you can subscribe on my channel for the notification of the new videos. Thank you.